organic matter has got so many benefits that it can improve and add to any kind of soil structure. It helps to improve drainage, it helps to improve nutrient content, it helps to improve the absorbency of the soil, so how much moisture it holds on to, as well as how much moisture it lets run through. It prevents leaching of nutrients as well, which is really good, especially with sandy soil or stony soils. By conditioning any type of soil with organic matter, will benefit the soil so much and will really put extra condition into it. So like I was saying with the chalky and the peat soils as well, testing different areas of your garden also makes a difference. So different areas might be higher in acidity to others. So when you're conditioning one area, you can't just assume the next area that you do is going to be the same. So when you're going around and you're digging beds and you're conditioning the soil and you're just improving the garden as you go, keep checking the pH, keep checking the structure of the soil, keep checking it as you go, because different areas of the garden might be completely different to the others. So it all depends on the history of your garden. If you're new to your garden, if you're not, if it's always been your garden in your family, you kind of will have an idea of the history, so it kind of gives you a heads up. But if it's a new garden to you, you won't know the history. You don't know what's been planted there before. You don't know what if in the garden, if it was a garden before, it could have been anything, it could have been woodland. So you don't know the history of it. So by checking the pH as you go, checking the soil condition as you go, you can adjust your conditioning strategy accordingly. So I hope this has helped you today, and I hope you learned something. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, so it helps the YouTubes show my videos to more people. And it makes me feel happy that I'm making good content for you.